Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong May 18. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung ano ang kahalagahan ng pagka-Diyos at pagkatao ni Kristo. This relates to the topic of hypostatic union na makikita natin sa John chapter 1 verse 14 na nagsasabing, "And the Word became flesh and dwelled among us. And we have seen His glory as of the only Son from the Father, full of grace and truth." Sa Tagalog, at naging tao ang salita at tumahang kasama namin. At nakita namin ang kanyang kaluwalhatian gaya ng sa tanging anak ng Ama, puspos ng biyaya at katotohanan. So, it is part of God's plan, no? For Jesus Christ must die by becoming human. It's the sacrifice necessary for us to experience salvation. And Jesus, the God-man, reconciles God and humans with His death. So it was a necessary sacrifice because Jesus became human for it to be possible for a human to not sin, because Jesus does not sin, no? Even when He became human and He was susceptible to the emotions of man, He did not succumb, and He still perfectly obeyed God. Therefore, it became effective that Jesus is the ruler of both heaven and earth. So, due to what Jesus has done, you should trust that Jesus has suffered all your sufferings. Kung isipin po natin, napakaraming pasakit ang pinasan ni Jesus nung siya'y nagkatawang tao at bumaba sa ating mundo, no? So you, as a Christian or as a believer of God and Jesus, believe that Jesus can save you to the uttermost. Pagkatiwalaan mo yung ginawa niya. For what He did was victorious. He became victorious against evil. And due to that, we can be saved. So, we should surrender all to Jesus, the great King of both heaven and earth, the one that sacrificed His life for us because He loved us and because He was merciful. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.